Hey guys, Juan here, and today I'm doing a review video on the iRobot Roomba 670 series.
You can go your own way. Go your own way.
Alright, so I've been using this thing for about a week now, and I got a really good deal on it on Black Friday. I actually bought this. This is not one of those sponsored videos, so you can take what I'm saying as truth. But so this is the iRobot Roomba. I like the color scheme. I went with the white and black. That's just kind of my favorite color preference when it comes to devices and stuff. And if you guys are interested in one of these, I'll have a description of where you can buy this down below. But I've been pleasantly surprised at how well it performs. I'm a big tech guy where I love technology and anything that makes life a lot easier. It's almost like we're living in a Jetson age when I'm using one of these things. We're living in the future. It does a pretty good job. Now, one of the cool features that this has is that you can change its name because, I mean, who wants to name it Roomba? So I changed it to Sheila. My wife recommended we change it to Sheila. So whenever we need to access it in the app, it says Sheila. But it's very user-friendly to use. I mean, you download the app, the iRobot Home app, and then you just follow along the prompts. It's very easy to set up. It took me like maybe just a few minutes to do it, 2-3 minutes. When you first get it started, it takes about 3 hours to get it charged up on the very first go-round. But after that, it tends to hold a battery charge fairly long. Vacuuming robot. The cool thing about this is that you can integrate it with one of your Alexa devices. And since I did change the name to it as Sheila, whenever I tell Alexa to... Hold on, let me turn off my Alexa device. Every time I say her name, she keeps going off. Alright, so every time I ask Alexa to tell Sheila to go clean, she understands that it's the iRobot whenever I call her Sheila, and then she'll even respond back to it as Sheila. So that's kind of a cool little integration. But what's really cool is how we're able to even voice command it without even touching the thing. We can, or even going onto our app, you can just voice command through one of your Amazon Echoes. But one of the best ways that I've learned to see if a product works is to see it in action. So here are some clips of Sheila, or iRobot Roomba, in action. Alexa, tell Roomba to go home.
I will send Sheila home. It may not find the dock if it is in another room.
Thanks for checking out this video, guys, and if you guys want to buy one of these, like I mentioned before, I have a description of where you can get one of these down below. iRobot, Roomba, 670 series. Pretty good buy. Make sure you guys subscribe for more of these tech review kind of videos. And until the next video, be creative.